Number 91 on our house inspection checklist is also about safety, but this is general inspection safety. You know, I don't want you to stick your hand or your head into anything that you're not familiar with. So don't take off any electrical covers. Don't do any type of inspections to the electrical plugs, light switches, the main panel. This isn't stuff. You know, you got a loose wire, don't grab the wire. You know, I mean, it kind of relates back to our human nature. You know, you see something damaged and you want to, hey, you know, you want to touch it and see if it's broken. You can't. This is general inspection safety stuff that we've got to hammer into us. We can't be, you know, going underneath the sink and you see water dripping off of your garbage disposal and not realize that that's electricity. There's an electric motor underneath your sink, and if there's water dripping off, that water could be it could be conducting electricity. Electricity could be running through the water. If you touch it, you could get shocked. You know, so a little common sense is going to go a long ways. But again, I understand. You know, if you knew that you were going to have an accident, you wouldn't be, you know, entering into that situation. So the more information you have about accidents and the causes of these accidents, then the less likely you're going to find yourself in a situation where you could have an accident. And home inspection is no different. You don't need to be going up on the roof with smooth shoes. You know, you got your nice dress shoes on, you're going to go up on a tile roof and slip right off. This doesn't make any sense, you know. You're not comfortable with ladders? Don't use them. Don't go into any areas that you're not comfortable with. Don't pull off any electrical, any of your heating and air conditioning stuff. Hey, you know what? I'm going to pull this panel off and inspect the forced air unit. You know, no. You know, if it's working, don't break it. Leave it alone. If you see sparks coming out of something, okay, that's a good sign that you got a problem. Contact a professional, especially if you don't know anything about what you're looking at. If you don't know, if you got sparks coming out of your air conditioning condenser or frost, the thing's all iced up and it's the middle of summer, it's 100 degrees outside, but your air conditioning condenser is making ice in the backyard, contact a professional unless you know how to fix it. So again, common sense can go a long way in any type of safety, including your home inspection safety. If you own a house, you should inspect it regularly. But how can you inspect a home if you don't know what to look for? If you're not looking for a complicated checklist or something that wasn't written in a language that you can't understand anyway, do yourself a favor and visit this website today. The most valuable investment you have must be protected and inspected.